Hi, my name is Moustafa Youssef. My patient called me Dr. Youssef. I'm a board certified gastroenterologist with Digestive Health of Texas. Our group name is DHAT. I have been with DHAT group for the past 7 years. I have offices in Mansfield, Midlothian, and downtown Fort Worth. Myself and my associates pride ourselves of taking care of our patient with a variety of GI conditions. A little background about me: I grew up in Egypt, where I finished my medical degree from the University of Mansoura, and I moved to the United States in 2005. Where I started my medical training journey in Chicago, and then I moved to the University of New Mexico in Albuquerque, where I did my internal medicine and on to an academic gastroenterology fellowship with special interest in the field of inflammatory bowel disease. My family felt my passion for listening and for doing multiple projects early on, and they felt that I would be a doctor. I would say that at that time I disagreed, and I felt that I use my hands a lot and I would like to be an engineer. With time, that passion that passion helped me to get into medical career. But definitely, my background have solidified into the field of gastroenterology with my background and training in Egypt, with exposure to the variety of liver diseases. Moving on to knowing that I love to incorporate my analytical skills, my good listening skills, and also my procedural skills, I felt that the field of gastroenterology is the field that I would like to practice. I always start my clinic by, when I see a patient for the first time, by saying, what brought you in today? I spend enough time listening to them, understanding their concern, and by the end of my encounter with my patients, we always have a summary and a game plan for what we would do. I pride myself on the variety of GI procedures that I could do. I am trained to do most of the GI procedures, including upper endoscopy, EGD, colonoscopy, colon cancer screening, advanced polypectomy. I also have extra training on advanced procedure like ERCP, where we use our duodenoscope to remove stones from the bile duct. I have special interest in inflammatory bowel disease, where patients have multiple GI and non-GI symptoms that's related to an autoimmune disease, and I had extra training to take care of complex cases with inflammatory bowel diseases. I'm also fond of the field of the foregut disease, which involve diseases of the esophagus. I have developed a practice that takes care of multiple patients with esophageal disease, including acid reflux, heartburn, dysphagia, trouble swallowing, and chest pain. Along with my colleagues at Methodist Mansfield Hospital, we started the Heartburn Center, where we incorporate all the different aspects of the GI practice, including endoscopy, pH monitoring, testing the esophageal motility to help our patient make the right decision on treatment of their esophageal disease and acid reflux. I perform a new procedure called the TIF procedure, which is transoral incisionless fundoplication. This procedure is done using the endoscope to rebuild the faulty valve, the lower esophageal sphincter, which is the valve that prevents the acid to reflux into the esophagus. This procedure done using the endoscope without any cuts, and it helped my patient to get off their acid reflux medicine and help them to regain their quality of life and be able to enjoy things that they were not able to enjoy before. Outside my clinical practice, I enjoy spending time with my family and traveling with my beautiful wife and my 2 children. I also like to run sometime. My passion outside of medicine is actually in cooking. I really love to have newer recipes and cook different ethnic food, from native Egyptian food to Mediterranean food to seafood. And my latest addition is barbecue, and I would love to share in a different video some of my Texas briskets. I'm fortunate enough to be working with a good group of people. My staff are very passionate, and they help me and my patients to get better. My patient expect when they come to the clinic that they will interact with most of my staff and myself, and that they will feel very comfortable talking about their GI or the issues that they're seeing me for. On behalf of my staff and myself, I would love to help you in your GI issues. If you have any problem and you'd like to see us, please call our office, and our staff will help you to set up an appointment and come see us. We pride ourselves of taking an excellent care of our patients and listening to them. First and foremost. Again, this is Dr. Moustafa Youssef with Digestive Health of Texas. Thank you.